Today, we're going to learn how to completely separate hair from the background. Follow along with me step by step to do this. First, make a copy of the image using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J. Go to the Select tab and choose Select and Mask. In the Properties panel, set the View mode to Overlay and lower its opacity. In the same panel, click on the Select Subject option. Photoshop will automatically select our desired subject. As you can see, the subject is selected. If you look closely, it hasn't selected all the hair correctly. With the brush tool, select the parts of the hair that haven't been selected. In the Properties panel, enable the Decontaminate Colors option. This option helps us to remove unwanted colors that may remain around the hair. With the Refine Edge brush tool, we refine the selected area. This makes the edges of the hair look softer and more natural. In the Properties panel, we set the output to New Layer with Layer Mask. And click OK. As you can see, the hair is easily separated from the background. Now we can use the Solid Color tool or any other method to add the desired background to the image. I hope this tutorial has been useful for you. Like and subscribe to not miss the next videos.